at a time by the workers. You can see them repairing the rocks over there. This is a very painstaking work. You see. Hola. Yeah. You speak English? No English. Gracias. I'll leave them to do their work. There's so many of these stones. See the plant. This is right there. These grapes that they grow on this island is used to make a particular kind of wine. It's very famous. I've forgotten the actual brand of it, but it can only be made from the grapes from this rock formation, because as you can see, it's some of that lava soil, so that helps to enrich the soil and produce this special kind of grapes. That's how you plant grapes in Lanzarote. Please subscribe, like, and share.